Hello everyone, welcome to Shamsu's Kitchen again. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to cook prawn malai curry. To cook prawn malai curry we need just one small bowl of raw prawn, peeled prawn I have taken. I've taken 1.5 onions sliced and then 1 tomato cut into pieces like diced and few green chilies. For the spices I'll be using just 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder, all in same measurements. Then 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Just a little bit of grated coconut milk and a bit of yogurt, just 1 teaspoon. So we'll start with frying the prawns first in the pan with some oil. I already added the prawns on the pan with some oil to cook it for a little while. Then I'll add the onions and salt, and then slowly I'll put all the spices together. There are lots of ways to cook prawn malai curry, as this is a very popular dish in our subcontinent, Bangladesh and India. So my one is like kind of very easiest recipe I follow. It should be easy and very quickly. I've added the onions and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll just wait for the onions to get cooked a bit, then I'll add all the spices together. Alright, this looks beautiful but not burned. So that's what I was making sure it doesn't get burned, and I'll lose the color I need otherwise. So I'm gonna add ginger and garlic now first, and then I'll cook it for another couple of minutes before I add all other spices into it. Ginger and garlic added, give it a good mix and cook it for another couple of minutes. I've reduced the flame a bit to save it from burning, and now adding all the spices together. A bit of water as well, so it will burn, and I'll give it a good mix. It looks beautiful after the mix of the spices. Still not cooked. I just wanted to add half teaspoon of sugar. This is optional, you can add it or you can avoid it. I just like to add some sugar, that will taste better. Just added the coconut milk and slowly in medium flame I'm cooking it. Alright, that looks like all done. We have finished our cooking. I'm just gonna stop the burner. I'll serve and show it to you how it looks like. There you go, that's how it looks after cooking this prawn malai curry. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys will like it if you can try it at home. Thanks. See you next time.